documents.
It is part of Microsoft Office Suite 2010 introduced by Microsoft Corporation, one of the world's largest companies in software development. Word has the power and flexibility to do the following: produce letters, reports, notices, newsletters, books, bills, etc. quickly, modify the text both while typing and after typing, beautify the text using color, style, shading, and various other effects.
Good morning, students. Sit down. How are you, my students? We are fine. How are you? I'm fine too. So, can we start today's topic? Yes. Okay. So, today we are going to study about collective nouns. So, do you know what is a collective noun? Yes. So, Tracy, can you say? A word that stands for a group of people, animal, or things is known as a collective noun. Very good. What words? A band of words. Very good. So, let's discuss some group of things. What about keys? A bunch of keys. Very good. A bunch of keys. What about books? A set of books. Very good. A set of books. Okay? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.